Hello there, PeaRoy. How in the world are you?
Oh, hi, Mr. Rick. I'm doing good. Are you doing good too? Good.
Yes, I'm doing good. And I heard a few jokes.
No.
Dad jokes.
You gonna tell them?
That's right.
You gonna? Okay.
Yep. I'll tell mine first, and then you tell yours.
All right. That sounds like a deal. Go ahead.
Did you hear about the feller that stole all them wigs?
No.
Yeah, they combing the area now.
Combing there.
I know that's bad.
Yeah, that's bad right there. Tell me that.
Look at. Do you know where surfers get their education?
Where surfers get their education. Why, I couldn't tell.
Oh, they go to boarding school.
Boarding school. That's pretty bad right there.
I know,
don't care.
surfer board.
Yeah, I get it though.
You know, I was addicted to the hokey pokey.
To the hokey pokey.
Yeah, but I just turned myself around. No, they don't get any better.
I wish they did.
They're dad jokes.
There's a bad joke too. Yeah.
Dad jokes.
Give me that.
Do you know why they put the Energizer Bunny in jail?
They put him in jail? I don't know why. Why?
They got him for battery.
That don't make a whole lot of sense.
They charged with battery.
They charged him with a battery. I got. Okay, I get that. That's pretty good.
I don't. Do you know what cats eat in the morning for breakfast?
Cats eat breakfast.
Mice Krispies.
Mice.
I'll drink to that.
That's pretty fun. Yeah, I will too.
Mice Krispies.
Mice Krispies.
Oh my. All right. Well, I'm gonna tell my long joke, and then you can tell your short joke.
Okay.
Right?
Let's do it that way then. Let's go ahead. Tell your long joke.
Well, one time there was this feller, and he went to the Super Bowl. And you know how the Super Bowl's got way too many people in it.
It's always crowded.
Yeah, and this guy got seats that weren't too good, and he was sitting there watching the Super Bowl that first quarter, you know, and he couldn't see. Everybody standing up. It's terrible.
I know. Yeah.
So he said, you know what? I'm gonna walk down the aisle here and see if I can't find me a better seat. You know, they got tickets for the seats.
Tickets. They expensive too. Yeah.
He looks down there, right there in the front. There's this man sitting there, and there's nobody sitting next to him.
You don't say.
He walks over there to that feller, and he stands there in front of that seat. He said, anybody sitting here?
Yeah. That's what I did.
No, there won't be nobody sitting there today.
Oh,
okay, dude. You mind if I sit? He said, no, I don't mind. Go ahead. Okay. You can take this seat. So he says, look here, I can't believe it. Somebody wouldn't have come to the game that's got a seat like this.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the best seat in the house right
here. Yeah.
And so the fella says, yeah. He said, that was my wife's seat. She died.
Oh.
And what's sad about it is we've never missed a game together.
Oh, it's so sad.
He says, I hate that. Couldn't you have gotten one of your buddies or friends to come to the game with you? He said, well, heck no, they're all at the funeral.
They all at the funeral.
Yeah, they all at the funeral.
Oh, my goodness, that's terrible, man. That's terrible.
All right, now you go ahead and tell yours.
All right. You know what you get when you cross a fish with an elephant?
I don't know.
Swimming trunks.
Oh. Okay, that's pretty funny.
Do you know why the chicken went to the other playground?
Why did the chicken go to the other playground?
The other playground. Well, he wanted to go to the other side of. He wanted to go to the other slide.
Yeah, he wanted to go to the other slide.
Man, I'm screwing these all up.
That's pretty good. All right, let's hear it now.
How does a fish pay his bills?
How does a fish pay his bills?
With a sand dollar. You should have got that one. That's right.
All right, tell me your last one.
No, I got one more after this. What do you call a boomerang that don't come back? A stick.
Oh.
Yeah. Why did the belt get arrested?
Why did the belt get arrested?
He was holding up a pair of pants.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
pretty good too. All right, but I got that one. All right, go ahead and tell your long joke.
Well, this fella, and he went to the mental hospital. He was visiting there, and he got up to the director, and he asked the director, well, how do y'all come up with the idea of somebody being mentally ill? He says, well, first thing we do, we get them fill up a tub, and then we give them a teaspoon, we give them a teacup and a bucket, and we ask them to, well, I asked them to get the water out of the tub, and yeah, so when they say they use the bucket.
Yeah, I guess I'd have used the bucket too.
And so he said, you know, a normal person, he said, I'll use the bucket. And he said, well, that's, you know, he said, hey, what would you use? And he said, yeah, I'd use a bucket. He said, no. He looked at his orderlies and said, y'all come over here. Grab this man and put him in a room. He said, what for? He said, most normal people will pull the dead blame plug out of it.
Oh.
Stop, you know.
Okay, well, he didn't say he couldn't
well.
plug. I don't know about that joke. If I was, he never did say he couldn't pull the plug. Come on, man. Stopper or whatever. I guess if I'm gonna do something, I guess I better go do it. Look here. Love you guys. Y'all be sweet.
Anyway, I guess that's it. I guess time for me to get busy too. Look here, y'all be sweet. Thank you. Like he said, thank you so much for coming.